Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my experience with the project management course on Udemy. By the end of this video, you'll have a good idea of what this course has to offer and whether it's the right fit for you. The course is designed for anyone who is new to project management or looking to enhance their existing skills. It covers all the essential concepts, tools, and techniques that you need to know to manage projects effectively. Some of the key objectives of this course include learning how to initiate, plan, execute, and close projects within the given constraints of scope, time, and budget. This course is suitable for professionals from various backgrounds who are looking to gain project management skills. It is especially helpful for those who are working in roles that involve managing projects, such as team leads, entrepreneurs, and business owners. Additionally, it can be beneficial for individuals who want to pursue a career in project management or advance in their current roles. Now, let's dive into the course content and see what you can expect to learn. The course is divided into several modules, each focusing on a different aspect of project management. Module 1. Introduction to Project Management. In this module, you'll learn the fundamentals of project management, including the role of a project manager, the life cycle of a project, and the various project management methodologies. Module 2. Project Initiation. Here, you'll learn how to define the scope of a project, set goals and objectives, and identify stakeholders. You'll also learn about the importance of project charters and how to create one. Module 3. Project Planning. This module focuses on creating a detailed project plan, including tasks, timelines, and resource allocation. You'll learn about project scheduling, estimating project costs, and creating a risk management plan. Module 4. Project Execution. During this module, you'll learn how to manage and monitor projects, including managing resources, communicating with stakeholders, and managing changes and risks. Module 5. Project Monitoring and Control. Here, you'll focus on measuring project performance using key metrics, identifying and resolving issues, and managing changes to the project scope. Module 6. Project Closure. Finally, you'll learn how to close out projects effectively, including documenting lessons learned, celebrating project successes, and transitioning project resources. The course is well structured and easy to follow, with clear and concise explanations of each concept. The instructor's delivery is engaging and provides real-world examples to help you better understand the practical applications of project management tools and techniques. One thing I particularly liked about this course is that it includes interactive exercises and quizzes that allow you to apply what you've learned. This helps reinforce the concepts and gives you a better understanding of how to use project management tools in real-world scenarios. If you're new to project management or looking to enhance your existing skills, I highly recommend checking out the Project Management course on Udemy. It covers all the essential concepts and provides a solid foundation in project management.